The Quick Access toolbar is a convenient place to add your favorite commands because they will always stay visible no matter where you are on the ribbon. But there's another reason to use it that not everyone knows about. Every command on the Quick Access toolbar gets its own keyboard shortcut, putting them literally at your fingertips. To get the most out of this shortcut, you should first add one or more commands that you use frequently. And you can add any commands that are on the ribbon. I'm going to open the Sort and Filter menu, then right-click the Sort A to Z option, and select Add to Quick Access Toolbar. And you can see that it's added our command here. Now the shortcut is going to be Alt followed by a number. And when you press the Alt key, you can actually see the number associated with each command. Since the sort command is number 6, the shortcut is Alt 6. And that will sort based on whichever column we have selected, in this case the last name. We can test this again with the state column. Press Alt 6, and it sorts by state. So try adding some of your favorite commands to the Quick Access toolbar to take advantage of these shortcuts.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.